Okay, this is the easiest outdoor fire pit dinner. So you lay down thinly sliced layer of potatoes, and then you add hamburger to the top. And this is pre-seasoned, and I just really flatten it out on top of the potatoes. Hot dogs, these are the kind with cheese in them. I'm gonna put a layer of that down, some mozzarella, then some onions, some yellow peppers, some red peppers, some corn. So you could use black beans too if you wanted to make it like a Southwestern style and add some sort of seasonings that you want. I've added a seasoning. Next I'm gonna add some pepper. And last, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter to each one, and then I'm going to fold it all up. It's ready for the fire pit. Okay, so you could put this on your barbecue, of course. You could put it on a grill like this over your open flames. Don't put it directly in the flames, or you could put it in the coals of the fire. But like I said, not in the direct flames. Let it cook between half an hour, 45 minutes. You could check, and it's good to go.